Welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona, where the sun shines 300 days a year. And today, I'm checking into the Holiday Inn Club Vacations Resort. This is their one-bedroom signature suite, and it's way nicer than I expected. From a full kitchen to a private balcony, this room is basically an apartment. Let's step inside, and I'll show you why this place might be one of my favorite. What did you think? Would you spend the extra money for home away from home style accommodations? Be sure you're subscribed because my adventures in Scottsdale are just beginning. There'll be plenty more videos to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk again soon.